Okay, so now we have understand the use cases of radio button. Now we are going to jump through the checkbox one. So checkbox are basically allows the user to select multiple options or one options. As you have seen in many web pages, there is a button or checkbox called agree to the terms and conditions before signing in or logging in. So yeah, these are the basic use cases of checkbox, and you can also select multiple options and send them as arrays or any other custom data type to your server as well. So let's see an example. We are gonna add a label. We are gonna create a checkbox for subscribe. We are gonna label it as subscribe to our newsletter. And we're gonna create an input tab of type checkbox, and we are going to give it an ID. We're going to give it the same as subscribe, and we're going to give it a name as well, which will be subscribe. I will first create a breaking point for better view. Yeah, now let's go to our web page. Here you can see the example of the checkbox here, subscribe to a newsletter. Yeah, so that's the basic element. If you toggle that, it will uncheck, and if you then toggle back again, it will get checked.